Actually, we are climbing mountain. Actually, it's like a height.
Oh my God, we have finally reached.
Vlog ke என்னடி பண்ற? What are you doing?
This is the entry, so where we have to start.
Mella. There you have to first walk properly.
As it's rainy season, it's very much slippery over here, but the place is very nice. So you can see. So I'm so excited to run.
So right now we are walking.
And now time is 9:30.
We have started at
yes.
9:30, right?
Yes, and they said approximately we 1 hour to reach the waterfall. So let's see till what time we reach.
Yes.
So now the time is 9:30. So the place is very nice, and they said there will be a guide also after some distance. So, but the place they have just organized everything. So, yeah, there should be no guide required because we are able to understand how to go.
Slowly.
Yes, I'm going slow. You can see the breeze of the water. Okay? Can you listen to that? So first time we were doing trekking together, and it's really nice. In the college days, I done one time. What about you, husband?
We have went Tungeshwar lots of time.
Okay, lots of time, but I have just experienced one time.
Okay.
So this is my second time.
This rope is actually to guide us how to walk, because this is very dangerous as the river is flowing.
It will not guide us. It will give you the grip to hold.
Yeah,
Because we cannot.
but it's showing direction also, right?
Yes, it's showing direction.
So that's what I said.
So they have clearly made everything so that there is very safe to travel here. So I feel very safe till now. So let's see after some time what do you feel. Hasu baby, where are you going?
Devkund Waterfall. We have to reach by 1 hour.
Oh my God. Who is walking before you? I think you are following dog.
Dog is actually showing us way.
Okay. So I think he is also wanted to enjoy the waterfall. Actually, the place is very nice. You can see the water over there. So, yes. And the place is also very nice. It's like a jungle. But I can't see any snakes or any wild animals. But I have one wild animal. That's you. That's you. You can see the wild animal lion. Chalo. wanted to to show this place. This is very nice, and here we have the sitting table where you can just sit and take some photos or videos. And here we go, you can see the actual view. So this place is very nice. We can see the mountain. This is the second river crossing. What are you doing?
Videography.
Oh my god.
So let's walk. So second river finished.
How many rivers?
Last one I think left.
Okay, only one left. So we are on the way. So still 2 kilometers is left. So you can see the horse. So we have more horses here. So here we have one shop where you can get your snacks. So I don't think we have vada pav or anything, but we have Parle-G biscuit and snacks like Lays. So you can just buy from there if you have not carried anything. We have carried some of the snacks, so we are not buying now. So we have reached the bridge crossing, the third river. So where they have made the bridge type.
Scared?
No, I am not scared. They have also given the rope to hold. How was your experience?
Very nice.
So actually, it's very tough to come
Climb.
after.
Actually,
It's-
we are climbing mountain. Actually, it's like a height.
So where we are climbing up. So after third river, so whatever we have crossed, it was very
Tough.
tough.
So,
So that's why we are just resting some time here.
we have to go more 20 minutes, I think.
Yes. So we can meet after reaching the destination. So it's very tricky. It should be tricking, not trekking. Actually, the climbing upwards is very tough. So you can see after the third river, we got all the slopes climbing upward. So that's why we have not shown many of the footages, because while walking we are not able to speak also. I think we have almost reached, so I can listen to the sound of waterfall. So
Actually, we can see the waterfall from here a little bit.
So
Over there.
oh my god, we have finally reached.
vlog la vlog ke என்னடி பண்ற what are you doing பாத்து பாத்து
Oh my god.
so where exactly we are sitting
We are sitting near a waterfall and we have already enjoyed. Yes. Oh!
so exactly the location where the waterfall is
Yes. So
coming
we have
from.
already enjoyed. We have went inside and we have really enjoyed. Until then, we have just seen this kind of scenery in movies.
Actually, I saw many videos and photos and reels of Devkund, but I never thought it will be so much wonderful. So actually, the water is very clean. You can
Yes.
see, as already we have shown so many footages of this. So the water is so clean and very, very pure. So we took
And
bath.
when you go inside, it was like anything. I cannot express over video. If you come, you can feel that.
Yeah, exactly. The
Yes.
video can't get that feeling.
So you should really try this kind of waterfall and do trekking because it's really amazing. This was our first experience.
To come here, you can see our entire video. So we have guided as much as possible because this is way little difficult. You can't bring children and all. We came around 12:30, I think, right? 12:30.
Yes.
So it was very late actually. So if you come early, then there won't be any rush, I think. So
Actually, and now the time is 12:40. The climate was very nice. It was no sunny or there is no too much hot. And really sitting here and watching this type of scenery as a couple, we feel very really
it actually feels very, very nice.
very nice.
Yes, the location is wonderful.
உண்மையிலே அது சத்தியமா சொல்லணும்னா வேற லெவல்ல இருக்கு. என்ன சொல்ல ஒரு அந்த பாகுபலிலாம்
Yes,
பார்த்திருக்கோம்.
actually
அதுல
the Bahubali. Yeah, this is kind of Bahubali movie. You can exactly watch.
ஆக்சுவலாக நம்மளோட இங்கிலீஷில் வந்து அவ்வளோ எக்ஸ்பிரசிவாக பண்ண முடியல, அதனால தான் நான் தமிழ் யூஸ் பண்ணேன். We can feel after coming this, I just recollect the Bahubali movies where he get that Shivam.
Shivalinga. So now we enjoyed and it's almost 1 o'clock. So we are now moving. So we are getting back to home now.
And we are really feeling very hungry. So I needed to have a feast. We have enjoyed and now we are going back to our car. And it's really very nice. And what's the time now?
12:40, 55.
12:55. We think till 2:30 we will reach. Let's see. Now we have reached.
Car parking.
Yes, reached car parking, and we have enjoyed our trekking.
Yes. So it
And-
took us almost 1 hour 45 minutes, right?
Yes, and we are really very tired and we are feeling so hungry. So now we are going to search for the restaurant and then we will have some lunch. So I'm going to have some variety of lunch.
Variety.
Yes, I wanted to have, but I don't know whether he will take me to a good restaurant or not.
So I don't think so. Yes, there will be restaurant. We need to go outside the village.
Baapre.
So we need to search for.
So okay, almost you can see us. Our energy and everything has gone.
We will show
Yes.
you what all variety she is eating.
Yes, we can. Sudan. Even ஒன்னா பெத்தாம் 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 கையில கிடைச்சா செத்தாம் செத்தாம் செத்தாம்
So the time is now 4:25. We have stopped the car near I
Food
think
Plaza.
Food Plaza.
Near this Food Plaza, we have Imagica also.
Yes. So for a Kapoli road, it will take more 15 to 20 minutes, I guess. But we are very hungry, so we have ordered some burger, which is available over here.
Yes.
So no other restaurant is proper here. So we have bought a burger and French fries.
French fries.
So that's what we are going to eat now.
This is toothpick. We have to use
Yes.
2 French fries. Nice. Not that much nice, but nice. You try one. Yes. How was the taste?
This is spicy burger.
Okay, I want that. How was the taste? Eat French fries. That's also very nice. I liked French fries very much. So now we are on the way to Mumbai Highway Road and done with today's.
Trekking.
Yes. And now on the way to our house. And with this, we are closing this video. And
Closing this video. Oh my God. Okay. Wonderful. Marvelous.
நீங்க ரொம்ப டயர்டா இருக்கு பேச வைக்காதீங்க. ஓகே இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Then we meet on the next video. Until then, bye friends. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And you can see there is very heavy rain outside. So bye.